Hey, what is up guys? So today I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna talk about Kickstarter. So Kickstarter wants to make creators actually think about their budget ahead of the launch. So I'm gonna talk about this in this video, so make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe, because a lot of you guys are watching and are not subscribed. But with that said, let's get right into it. So Kickstarter wants creators to think ahead, and by doing this they want to make this feature that literally make your Kickstarter what do you call it, your Kickstarter program be more transparent to your investors. So you're gonna have like a pie chart, as you see up on screen now, that shows you exactly what how much percentage of that money is going to. So as you see on screen here, you see that 30% will go into fulfilling, 30% will go into making, and 28% will just be taxes and fees, and 23% will be other. Because before Kickstarter bringing this feature, buyers and investors didn't know what they're putting their money in, how much of their money is going into that specific area. So by doing this will make it more transparent and make investors and people who are willing to pay money to get your project up and running know exactly what their money is doing. And I think this will increase more people that are investing to not lose money, to be more confident about investing and all that. Because before Kickstarter, you can donate a money to somebody and you don't know exactly what they're using their money to do, whether or not they are using it on the actual project, or they are using it to go on a vacation or whatever. I mean, with this feature they still can't tell if investors are giving the money away for somebody to go on vacation or not. But at least this will gain their confidence much more, that yeah, I'm giving this to a good person, and this person is not gonna use my money and take my money and just throw it away or go on a vacation. You see exactly, okay, 30% of this $1,000 that I'm going to donate in is going into fulfilling, and the next 30% will go into the hard work and the making of the product or the service, and then taxes and fees. As you know, we all have to pay tax, and then the multiple other, which can be whether it's for catering or whatever, just other. And you can also add more category. This is just an example of what you can put in that pie. So yeah guys, I think this is a really good feature for Kickstarter, and I think in the future it will really help both the buyers and both the person who is looking for money for their project. Because why I think this is that the person that are looking money for the project can have a set plan. They know exactly a $600 out of this $1,000 going to making the product, another $200 is going to fulfilling, and the next $200 is gonna pay for the labor. So you know exactly ahead of what your money is gonna do, rather than getting the money and you get overwhelmed and maybe use 50% of the money, and say you use 50% and then you say, oh no, 50% of the money is already gone and I need to do this and I need to do that, and then you just start to get confused, and then the project just don't work anymore. And doing this, say 100 investors invest on a product, and say your product or your service or whatever didn't go as planned because of budget issues, you didn't plan your budget as well, and all the money go away. Doing this will just drive people away from Kickstarter, because other people are gonna tell their friends, hey, I invested like 10,000 in a Kickstarter project the other day and it just go to waste. I waste all of my money, man. I wouldn't recommend Kickstarter at all. Or people just get discouraged in investing. So I think this is a good feature to make it more clear to to investors that, hey, this is what we are really doing with your money, even though this doesn't really prove that they're gonna use your money for this, because you can always just put this online and then that. But that's where scamming comes in, and I don't think people in their right mind will want to take somebody money so much and put it up on that. And I guess Kickstarter have programs and features in place to avoid scamming, so I'm guessing that before you reach this stage you have to put in whether identification, proof of address, um like a credit card information, payment information, social security, and all those. I'm guessing you have to put in before you start a Kickstarter. That way, if you scam somebody, they know exactly where to find you and all that. But as I said, I think this feature is a really great feature, and I think it's gonna do a lot of positive both on both ends, whether you're looking to get funds or whether you're looking to give funds. And at the same time, I can imagine creators making an inaccurate budget and ended up having to raise more money, or even have to just rethink their project altogether, because as you know, you can say, hey, 10% is going there, and then somewhere down the line you realize that, hey, 10% of this budget really can't make this product, we're gonna need 20%, and then that 20% is gonna go over into something else that you already set as 30%. So now you have to either cut that as 20%, and you're just gonna run out of money, and you're gonna just need more money, and you probably have to start a next Kickstarter, or you just probably have to rethink the project. And maybe this is where your expectation becomes reality. Like, say you wanted something that was automatic, then you probably have to just make that part manual instead of automatic, and then your product or service won't be that great as you expect. So that's where I think on the receiving end will be a problem, because you may make an inaccurate you may make an inaccurate budget, and you have to change it in the future, and maybe you have to rethink all the project in general. But yeah, guys, as I said, this is a good feature for both ends. I've been repeating that over and over because I think Kickstarter is a good platform, and I think Kickstarter is done and will change a lot of people's life in the future. And I know it changed a lot of people's life in the past, a lot of group of friends in the past. You want to start a project and you don't have any money, you just go on Kickstarter, and genuine people and people that are willing to give, and you might never know, they may give you and keep on giving you, and you become friends, and you get a real-time investor of Kickstarter, because I'm guessing Kickstarter like take their fees, because they're a website and they need to make money, they need to eat, just like how you're finding a way to eat. So as I said, Kickstarter has changed a lot of people's life and will change a lot of people's life in the future again. And I'm looking forward for this feature to change a lot of people's life. And earlier this year, Kickstarter also launched a funding calculator, which gave creators a free tool to help them lay out and access their costs behind the scenes. This tool makes that budget and visual and public. So that tool changed a lot of people's life also. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think about Kickstarter and this new feature in the comment section down below. Make sure to subscribe, because a lot of you guys are watching and are not subscribed. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I see you guys in my next video. Peace.